Hey guys, what's up? It's Gabriel from Simplex. Now that your business is set up, let's go through some of the steps that will make your trucking company more profitable. First, let's talk about percentage of load revenues. There are two types of percentages of load revenue you can obtain: the all-inclusive percentage fees and the detailed charges. We recommend you opt for the all-inclusive, which accounts for 18% of gross loads while including insurance, trailer rental, fuel advance, yard, and safety. Fuel discount programs. We highly suggest you seek alliance with top fuel providers. This will be a big advantage for you in the long run. Fuel providers such as Love's, Flying J, Petrol, TA, third parties, and others provide you with discounts to help you save up as much as you can. Insurance coverage. When starting a trucking business, it is critical to select the appropriate insurance coverage. You want a policy that offers the most complete coverage at the best possible rate, competitive financing options, and flexible down payments. Yard and trailer. It's extremely important to have a yard to store your company-owned tractors and trailers, and it could be very enticing for recruiting owner-operators as you allow them to park their tractors and trailers at your yard. Having a trailer is extremely important as well. By being a power only, you're limiting yourselves to the number of loads there are out there. By having a trailer, you open yourself up for more opportunities to obtain loads through brokers or directly through shippers. Pass the fees to owner-operators. They are subsidiary of your company, not their own company. You shouldn't commit expenses that they are responsible for. Cash and fuel advances. For your benefit, loans and pay advances must be interest charged, but you should stay away from them. They will only break your bank. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. Remember to follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel and be updated on industry news, tips, and regulations. Leave down in the comment section below if the video was helpful and what type of videos you'd like to see next. When starting a trucking business, cash flow is extremely important, so next week stay tuned when we discuss factoring. My name is Gabriel, see you next time.